Good morning, all of you. Today I will discuss class 6 GK, our motherland. Right? First question. India has a total area of 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometers. Second, the three parallel mountain range of Himalayas are Himadri, the Himachal and the Siwani. Third, Aravalli range in the northwest of India is one of the oldest mountain range in the world. Fourth, the desert in the northwestern region of India is known as Thar desert. Fifth, the river Indus is also known as Sindhu river. Sixth, a group of 572 small islands from the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Seven, India is located in Southern Asia, bordering the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea between Myanmar and Pakistan, respectively. Mountain Kanchenjunga is the highest point of India. ठीक है? Rajasthan is the largest state in India, which have an area of 3,42,239 square kilometers. Arunachal Pradesh is also famous for the presence of several rare varieties of orchids. India has mineral resources like coal, iron ore and manganese. The principal banking institution is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, which was founded in 1935. The Supreme Court of India is the highest judicial forum and final court of appeal under the Constitution of India. Now, I shall start chapter 2. Famous monuments of India. There are some important question and its multiple options are given. First, Mughal Empire Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri. Gateway of India was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay. Okay? Jantar Mantar was built in 5 cities. Charminar was built by Muhammad Qutb Shah. The Salar Jung Museum is situated in Hyderabad. These all are famous monuments of India. Now I shall start chapter 3, Indian language. Question: in which state is Bodo language spoken? Assam. Which is the common language of Jammu, Himachal Pradesh and parts of Punjab? Dogri. The right answer is Dogri. In which Indian state is Kannada spoken? Karnataka. Which language known as Italian of the East? Telugu. Which is only a state which has Sanskrit as one of its official language? Uttarakhand. Which is the first language to be conferred the status of classical language? Tamil. Which is the official language of Nagaland? English. And last question: which foreign language is commonly spoken in Pondicherry? French. Chapter 4, Indian heroes. Read about the following heroes, identify their picture and write their names. Okay? First, he was in the forefront of the protest which erupted in opposition of the Simon Commission, which visited India in 1920 to discuss the constitutional reforms. Lala Lajpat Rai. Second, he joined the Indian National Congress in 1890. He was one of the major supporters of the Swadeshi movement. He himself boycotted the British goods, which was later followed by Indians at large. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Third, he was journalist by profession, but soon he joined the nationalist movement. He made unmatched effort to popularize the Swadeshi movement. Karnataka. Fourth, he joined the army of the British East Indian Company. His attack on the British officer was one of the major incidents which is known as the Sepoy Mutiny. It is also known as the First War of Independence. Mangal Pandey. Now I shall start chapter 5, Ancient India. To know more about ancient India, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer from the clues given in the box. ये जो बॉक्स में है उसको फिल करना है. First, crafty statesman and politician Chanakya. The Hindu king was ascended the throne of Harshvardhan, the famous Gupta ruler of the Golden Age, Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Alexander defeated this brave king Porus. Kushan king Kanishka. He is the author of Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kalidas. He visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II, Fahim. He belonged to the Haryanka dynasty, Bhimsa. Sanskrit scholar who lived in the court of Narasimha II, Dandi. Sixth chapter, Indian Constitution. Fill in the blanks to gauge how much you know about the Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 6 November 1949. The Constitution was amended by the first time 1951. The power of amendment vested in Parliament relating to the amendment of the Constitution comes under Articles 368. Presently, there are 12 schedules in our Constitution. The Anti-Defection Act comes under 10th schedule. The 8th schedule is associated with the list of 22 languages recognized by the Constitution. Article 356 of Indian Constitution empowers the centers to take over the government of a state. Part 4A of the Constitution deals with fundamental duties. The Constitution head of the executive of the Union is the President. Chapter 7. Indian women politician. Choose the right answer from the clues given in the box. First, she was the first woman president of India. Pratibha Singh Devi Patil. She is known as BSP Supremo Mayawati. She was 5-time Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. She died of a cardiac arrest on 5th December 2016. Jairam Jayalalitha. She was the Chief Minister of Delhi for 15 consecutive years. Sheila Dikshit, a woman from origin who is serving as the President of Indian National Congress, Sonia Gandhi. She was a former Supreme Court lawyer and first woman Chief Minister of Delhi. Sushma Swaraj. She is regarded as Didi in West Bengal. She is first woman Chief Minister of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee. She is the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha. Meera Kumar. She is the first Textile and Women Child Development Smriti Irani. She became the first woman Chief Minister of Rajasthan in 2003. Vasundhara Raje. In next classes, I shall discuss chapter 8. Thank you very much.